1 a.m.
It's so late.
I know. But I'm just like a really long time.
It's making me so
I
happy.
know all these things together. We're just like, oh my god! But then we have to decide who we're gonna like next year.
Yeah. So yeah, it's like the start of the school year, and
Yeah.
there's even some new boys in school,
Yeah.
and some of them are really cute. Like
we don't want
way
Chad
cute.
anymore, obviously.
Ugh.
That jerk. That.
Ugh. We don't need to talk about
yeah, we don't need it. And you know what? Maybe like no more jocks.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think that's a good call. Like we've been talking
No
about
more
like.
jocks.
Even some of the artsy guys are really cute, and like they draw, and like there's like playing guitar is so
Yes.
cute.
Oh my god, there's this guy. I don't even really know his name. His name might be like Stuart or something.
Yeah,
Like,
I
he
know
walks
what you're
around
talking
the
about.
hallway just playing the guitar.
It's so cute.
You know, I call him Guitar Guy because I don't
Yeah.
actually know his real name.
It is. It's Stuart. Yeah.
Is it?
It totally
Oh
is.
my
He's in my
God.
math class.
And he just plays it all the
Yeah,
time.
he got in trouble even for bringing it, but
Oh my
yeah, he was
God.
like, he was like, I'm gonna bring my guitar with me, and the teacher was like, no, you can't do that, Stuart, and he got mad, like he was like, he was like, darn the man, like.
Oh my god, what a rebel!
I know.
So he's really cute.
Yeah.
I think Devin Sanders, he's the guy who was Romeo
really
last year and
Yeah.
Romeo and Juliet. Oh my god, he's so good.
Yeah.
Some of the he said those words were just like so good. Like I really
know.
believed him, you know?
Oh yeah, totally. I mean, even in the audience, I was like, I'm right here.
I know. Wherefore art thou? Oh wait, no, that was Juliet. I don't know.
Yeah. Well. Yeah.
But,
yeah. I don't know.
yeah, he's really cute. And like there's this other kid, I think his name is Sam Thompson or something
Yes.
like that.
It's,
He's
yeah.
And
He's
in
from
my English
like
class.
he's from Canada too.
Yeah.
And he has
People
like
from Canada are just different.
Yeah, he has kind of an accent. Like,
Yeah, he's like
yeah, a boot.
a boot. Like
And
I
it's
don't know
really
a boot
cute.
this thing in America.
Yeah, he's from Vancouver, and like
Yeah.
it sounds like a really cool place. I would love to go
He's
there.
always talking about Canada and just all the things about Canada. So
Yeah.
it seems like we could really learn a lot from him, maybe.